Hello, what's up everybody? This is B-Boy Tech, back with another video. This is just to show you guys payment proof from one application called Easy Rewards. It is easy to make money on this application. The way that I made all my money so far from this application has been from watching videos. It is one account per phone. Don't know account limit per household. Just be careful with that part, okay? So if you guys have a family account, family Google account, your mother, father, you can go in and use that on another phone. Just make sure that you sign into that Gmail before you sign in to go to the app. Now, here's the first payment proof that I got from this. And here's going to be the second one. $10. And I'm also on the way of working for a $25, but I may save up for the $50 Amazon gift card instead. I'm gonna later on, not in the same video, but in a different video, I'm gonna show you the different ways you guys can earn and the different cash outs on another video. This is just a short payment proof video to show that they do pay. And I would like to say thank you guys for watching. And it mostly seems like they pay on the same day. I don't know if they instantly pay. But the first cash out they didn't. But it seems like they do pay pretty fast. So keep in mind with that. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day and stay safe.